Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been like 1 or 2 days since I last uploaded, but I've had many updates to the mini prototype engine or whatever you call it. So I thought I would share it and update you guys with it. Um, so yeah, let me just run the app and or game and we'll see what goes on from there. And the bug, great, but I'll figure out what caused that bug and fix it for next video. But yeah, what's going on? So, first of all, as you may notice, I did add trees, and before anything, I would like to slow down time. It's going a bit too fast, so let's make it 6,000 minutes per hour in this game. Nice. It's tough. Shadows should be less distracting now. They are flowing a bit slower, but yeah. What's the first thing I added? Of course, those are the trees. They are custom-made models from me, and yeah, I did lower the resolution of the shadow too. But the big thing that took me a long time to actually implement was transparent shadows. Now, what I mean by that is, well, first let me explain it. So you know how textures can have transparency or alpha in it if you're using PNG, because JPN or whatever you call it doesn't support um, transparency. If you have transparency, right, that doesn't mean that the model will have a hole there too, right? So that was my issue, but I did fix it. I actually included the texture transparency in the shadow mapping shader, and it's fixed now. So you'll see what I mean by that in a second. So let me actually run the game and show you what I mean. Another bug. I have to fix this urgently, but yeah. When I place a tile, you do see there's transparency, and the shadows are updated correctly. So the shadow isn't just still a block like my player is. It is the correct shape and texture. But you may have actually noticed that the cube or question marks have been moving away from me. That is because I did add a function that allows me to rebuild the mesh. Now this is super useful if I want to change the texture coordinates of my model or position as seen right now, or anything to do with models. And it was very difficult, or not difficult, but I had to do a lot of refactoring to incorporate this. But after a long time, I finally did, and yeah, I can rebuild the mesh, which is nice. And as you can see, I'm moving the mesh around, or not mesh, but models. I mean, you know what I mean. And yeah, I do need to fix some number of bugs such as delta time messing with me and the crash bug, but other than that, it's looking out to be a pretty good game and solid. And I do need to add a lot of textures for these walls or cubes and these trees, and a lot of stuff has to be done, but I like where it's going. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, have a nice day. See ya.